Hi everybody. We just got done with our shaving cream fight, so we have towels on our heads because our hair is wet. Anyways, we made little friends. We're gonna eat them. Okay. Say that. Goodbye, graham crackers. Okay. Anyways. Ready? Wait. See? Alright, are you ready? Gotta put more chocolate chips on it. It'll be more delicious. Okay, we're good. Okay, ready? See, it was a star, but I decided to change it. It was supposed to be SpongeBob. It was supposed to be SpongeBob and Patrick. Yeah, it didn't end up too well. She did a horrible job. You ready? Ready? Bro.
Wanna know what this is? Graham crackers, whipped cream, and chocolate chips.
That's good.
Very delicious.
Oh,
yum.
You gotta try it.
It's kind of like a melted marshmallow.
Yep. Except the chocolate's not melted. So it's free, and we're eating sugar. Plain sugar. Smart, huh? It's exactly what you should do.
Not really.
You'll have a very healthy body. Just kidding.
You won't stay up all night. Stay up all night, Andy.
You'll have bad time in your eyes.
Oh.
Big time. I had bags when I was little. Because I stayed up a lot. I was always very tired.
It's okay.
I ain't gonna do that, babe. I don't know if I'm gonna get it all. Ew, it's like weird. It feels like there's something on your cheek. Is there anything? Anything? Very sure. Okay. Okay, well I'm gonna finish this. Ready? Very squeaky. I have another friend. He's kind of falling apart. Oh my gosh, I got whipped cream on my phone. Anyways, see here? It's pretty awesome. Got whipped cream on my phone. Right there. So.
No, I got your phone.
Okay. It's like a mini iPod Touch. iPhone. Sorry. It's pretty cool.
Watch, I'll be pretty. Still there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see.
No, it's right there.
Okay. So, finish off by finish it. You know.
Yeah.
Water's good for you. And it's very delicious.
I don't know if the camera can even see our heads. Look how far up it is.
So, if you can't see us,
You can see us now.
very sorry you missed out.
It was delicious.
Bye bye.